Okay. Ooh. What better time to visit a haunted cemetery than near dark, just at sunset. Ooh. Anyway, we drove around long enough. Then we figured, this is the haunted part. Or, I don't know, reputed this pyramid. Apparently the story goes that there was like a homeless child that slept here till like they removed him, because you would remove a person before the crypt. The crypt lasts longer. Oh. Tales from the crypt. All right, we're gonna go on up. Right, G? Oh, you got it, G? Dog did Croton Dam. She can darn well do this thing. Come on, G, you got it. Can I carry you? Oh. There's a, just in case there's a grave that says case. That's a grave case. Oh. Douglas. Ew. This is weird. Creepy. Tales from the crypt. Oh, there, that's better. Oh, gee, it's alright. No one commented about her coughing. She has an enlarged heart. Oh. It's a case of, she takes vet med. It's really expensive. They gave her like, let me give her a look. They gave her 3 months, year and a half ago. That dog, she ain't going nowhere. Let's see about the case. Oh, okay. So yeah, I can see why this place would be sort of, does have a haunty feel. Oh, ew. It's a sealed up crypt. Ew, 1880. All right. Well, it's colder, but it's a cemetery. It's going to be cold. Let's see what we can find. Well, 1936. We got to get to the 18s where it gets weird. Ooh, this one's weird. And then the big thing is also when you're paranormal hunting in a cemetery, try and remember where you parked the car. Oh, Gifford. Yeah, we were on Gifford Road, so I guess these are the big Syracuse yahoos. But let's go see if we can find some crypts. Thy brother shall rise again. Oh, no. I don't need any more brothers rising again. Whether we wake or sleep, we live with him. Ooh, that's really scary. Who's the him? Let's see. More things, lessons from a cemetery. So, she entered the river with a beckon of farewell to those that followed her to the river's side. Don't follow me to the riverside! My God, that's a bad riverside. Oh, the freaky things you hear and look at in cemeteries. Actually, there's like somebody sitting on the ground over here. Eee. Well, it's better than being buried in the ground over here. I don't want to like invade anyone's privacy or nothing. Oh no, it's a couple. That's all right. Ew. Okay, this is There's like one place where the crypts are like open. Let's see about Tales from the Crypt here. Because this time I am prepared. Oh, you all right, G? Let's see what's in here. Ew. Oh. Daylight, get out, get out. Ugh. That's freaky. It is obviously really cold. Ugh. Okay. Oh, come here, G. There's another place like for the stairway. And he's stairway to heaven. Something, right? Oh, yeah. 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 Talk about weird stairways. Ugh. But we'll go. We'll check it out. Clonk, 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 clonk. You alright, G? Yeah, G's alright. Okay. Let's see what all the tombstone messages are. Well done, thou good and faithful servant. This is well done? No, there's really nothing. What's well done about that? I don't think that's quite well done. But let's read some more messaging. Let's see. Waiting for the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, next. Let's see. I know that my Redeemer liveth. How would you know that? Under there. Okay. Next one, let's see. Oh my God. Suffer little children to come unto me. Suffer old ladies who've had to read cemetery signs. Oh, but there's more. Oh, I guess this is the suffering little child or something? This is weird. Okay. This is, all right. Oh, it's the son of somebody. Oh. Okay. Oh. I don't know. Hopefully, I'm actually kind of like a little bit dizzy. Ooh. I'm not a dizzy person. The place makes me dizzy. Oh, yeah. You gotta go back to you gotta go, ooh, there's a black. Go get him, G. G's gorgeous. Okay. Patty, only child. Get up here. This is not desperation. James Belden died 04. James Jr. 2010. Died November 11th, 1860. Ooh. Oh, it's got all the Masonic stuff. Oh, we can just find our way back out. That'd be good. Hey, Kate, want to come with me? He's like, yeah. You can take me down in bird. Oh, here's someone born in England and died in Syracuse. I had an attorney born in Syracuse who died in California. Yeah, that's weird. Well, not people dying in California, but the second time you see your attorney that's a good divorce attorney, it's the last good divorce attorney you saw, because he ended up with like liver cancer and then dead, and then the case went to hell in a handbasket. Oh, let's see. Samuel Joseph Moy, born in Boston, 1797. Well, dude almost lived 100, died 1871. That's a long life, man. Oh, okay, that feeling when you Lucretia coffin, when you're in a cemetery and you see the marker that says coffin, that feeling. Here we go. Died in Syracuse. Yeah, we ain't just got. We're live from Syracuse, baby. Live. Oh, let's venture on. Oh, we didn't get the map, like, so we don't know exactly what marker 15 is, but we'll go back and then we'll find out what we saw. I'm just feeling like, ew, a level of creep. This is a little depressing. This seemed like the ivy and who picked the marker for this thing? Oh. Okay, I'll say nothing about that. Let's just keep going. Yeah, there's another spot that's supposed to be kind of, I think, haunted over down this way. Yeah, like, I think the whole place is. My head's like, woo, from like energy. Come on, G. Meanwhile, Gigi's got revived energy. Okay. Yeah, it's getting close to dark. That's all right. We'll make it through anyway. I don't know. The language of funeral stuff, like in the 1900s, the drapes and everything. I did an article, actually. One of my first big travel article was on the city of Colma in the San Francisco Bay Area that has more dead people than living people. It's actually a town. Don't tell anyone. You didn't hear it here. Oh, this is weird. This stairway thing, this is where I just saw people filming doing something. Ooh, you can hear all the birds. I don't see them, but I hear them. Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to climb this one more. I'm going to check one other thing out. Right, Key? She's like, yeah, not. Well, so let's mom to check it out. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Talk about another stairway to heaven. Ooh. The winding one. It's the winding stairways. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. And that's a woman who stands above all else. That's it. The ladies in the house. Love it. Let's see who this lady in the house is. Oh God. B what? B. Let's see. Boy, she's in charge of a lot down here. There's a lot of like, wow. The Beldens. This chick, she's got Alvin, Arthur, Charles. Ah, good for you, lady. Woohoo. Let's see. A. Belden. 1820, March 19th, his wife, Rosetta Jackson. Oh, it was a dude. Why you guys, okay, you're a dude, but you got the chick up there? Well, at least you got that right. Yeah. Okay. Wow. On that note, that is going to end our cemetery adventure for today.